The simplest way to create the freeze frame effect is to first drag the playhead where you want the frame to freeze, and then right click and select Add Frame Hold. This will then split the clip and turn anything after the playhead into a still frame, and you can lengthen or shorten that as necessary. If you want to return to a moving image after you've made the freeze frame, you need to right click and select Insert Frame Hold Segment. This will insert a freeze frame after the point you've selected, but then leave the remainder of the footage in the timeline. And again, you can lengthen or shorten the freeze frame as necessary. You can export a separate still image from the video by choosing your position and then left-clicking on the Export Frame button. You can also select this by pressing Shift and E. In this window, you have the option to rename the frame, change the format of the image, and save the image as a separate file. Keeping the Import into Project box ticked will bring the still frame into your project if you wish to use it in the edit.